So KEB has been wonderful to work with, providing demo units for our students to learn variable frequency drives, or VFDs. Initially, the concept or the idea came when we were at PAC Expo, and I saw one of the demo units that the salespeople had put together, and I just saw a lot of applications that could be utilized with that trainer in the classroom. So we've been working with KEB for a number of years, placing students here, and as we started getting more involved, we started working with internships and direct placement. KEB's been absolutely fantastic for a career opportunity for our students and their willingness to work with our students as they are going through the program. Every time I've been here, we've been able to tour the whole facility. Everyone has a smile on their face, willing to answer questions. As an instructor, it's really fun for me to come in and see former students working and having an experience that's really beneficial. As a PMMI member company, KEB has the opportunity to apply for matching funding from the PMMI Foundation. What that does is the PMMI Foundation will match the dollar amount of the donation from KEB to the college, where we can take that money and utilize for curriculum additions, equipment additions, and other needs that we have in the program. It's an easy way for companies such as KEB to literally double their donation. One of the unique things about this build of the demo units that we had is one of our students at Hennepin Tech College actually assembled them. For one of his classes, I actually gave him credit for a project on these trainers. So when Travis put together the equipment, he was getting the assembly experience here, explaining what he was doing within the classroom, and actually brought one of the demo units in and did a quick classroom presentation. So he was able to instantly tie in what he was doing at work with what happens in the classroom. We plan on utilizing those in a number of classes, teaching the basics of VFDs all the way up to the programming and interaction with the PLC system, so the students can see how the smaller components work with the bigger component to come together in a holistic system. Utilizing equipment like this really reinforces the applied learning that we take pride in at Hennepin Tech. This is real life equipment, not just a trainer. So when the students are working with this equipment, they will be working on similar items out in the real world. So the hands-on that they get at the college directly applies to what happens in the industry. Through contributions such as what KEB has done, it's allowed Hennepin Tech to maintain our cutting-edge technology and make sure the product of students that we're putting out there meets the needs that industry has for future employees.